Hello. Today we're going to do a quick meditation to clear the mind. We're going to use the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum. A bow to the jewel of the lotus. It's really just honoring that stillness that dwells within us and a way to connect to it. We're going to use something similar to Kirtan Kriya. So as we say Om, we're going to touch our index finger and thumb, Mani, middle, Padme, ring, Hum, pinky. We're just going to chant this, close our eyes, and really tune into what the vibrations are doing to your body, to your mind. Just feel this. These tools are ways to clear yourself so you can actually find that stillness and become the awareness. So let's bring our palms together and rub them briskly. We'll do one powerful Om before we get started. Base of your thumbs to heart center. Inhale. Beautiful. So again, Om Mani Padme Hum. Eyes closed. Inhale to begin. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Last one. Om Mani Padme Hum. Inhale. Hold. Feel this stillness. Exhale. Hold. Just breathe. So anytime you need to just clear yourself, that's a very simple tool to use. Just bring your mind down to center, to really feel that stillness within. You know, maybe the first time it's not so effective, but the thing about these things is you have to be repetitive. You have to find consistency in your practice, and that is how you get results. It's like anything else in life. If you give yourself to it, it's gonna give back. You know, if you're trying to learn a new language and you practice 5 minutes once a month, it's not gonna go very fast. But something like this, if you find time every day to practice, then your brain's gonna start to balance, your body's gonna start to balance, you're gonna find strength, an inner strength you didn't even know you had, but it's there. Let's bring our palms together and rub them. We'll tune out with one long Aum. Heart center, inhale. May we feel strong and secure. May we know that we are all that we need in this life, and everything else is just a bonus. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sat Nam. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. It helps. Also, we have a Patreon, and that is a way to support us in holding this up. Plus, you can get access to live classes and personal attention from me to help you in your growth and development. Thank you so much.